Hello student, today we are going to discuss one example on moment of inertia. Example is find the moment of inertia of one loop of Lamy-Scott. So equation of Lamy-Scott is what? R square equal to a square cos 2 theta about the initial line. So this is important about the initial line. We have to find the moment of inertia of one loop Lamy-Scott about the initial line. We know that the formula of moment of inertia is equal to rho is equal to double integration rho p square r dr d theta. Here rho is nothing but the density of the point, but here suppose density it is not given, so you can consider it is constant, and suppose density is given, then you can find that value, you can put that value. Okay, so here we have to find the moment of inertia of this loop, and we know that this loop lies in between theta equal to pi by 4 and minus pi by 4. Now put the value of that p is nothing but, here p is nothing but the perpendicular distance to this initial line, right? P is what? Perpendicular distance to this initial line. So perpendicular to this initial line, suppose this is your x-axis, so this is y-axis. So value of that p is nothing but y. So p equal to y equal to r sine theta. Now suppose here it is given about the line about x-axis, so about y-axis. So here this line is the perpendicular distance, so p you can write down here x. So here p is what? Y. So put the value of y, which is r sine theta. Now putting p square is what? R square sine square theta, and here what we have? R dr d theta. Now limits of theta varies from, suppose I am taking this theta minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, but the function sine theta, sine square theta is one function, so it is 2 into integration 0 to pi by 4. R varies from what? That 0 to this curve is nothing but a under root cos 2 theta r cube dr d theta. Now integrate with respect to r. So after integrating with respect to r, taking that 1 by 4 outside and putting the value of upper limit and lower limit, we have this is cos square 2 theta and sine square theta. Now we can put the value of this cos square, put the value of sine square theta, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Now we can put this 2 theta equal to 2, find out the limits of t, and what we have 1 by 2 integration 0 to pi by 2, because here that t equal to pi by 2. 1 minus cos t, again I am taking 2 outside, cos square t dt. Now after solving this and using reduction formula, that for cos square t in between 0 to pi by 2, write down 2 1 pi by 2, and for cos cube t write down that 3 in the denominator, 3 2 1, and we have that value is nothing but rho a square, rho a raised to 4 upon 96 into 3 pi minus 8. Now if rho is constant, then no need to find out rho, you can write down only a raised to 4 96 3 pi minus 8. Now suppose rho is variable, right? Rho varies, so what we have, mass is what? Density into area, and by using this you can find out the density. So again this area is nothing but double integration r dr d theta rho, again the limit 0 to pi by 4, and this limits is what? 0 to a cos under root cos 2 theta, and after solving we'll get mass is equal to rho into a square by 2. So rho is what? 2m upon a square. So we have the density. So moment of inertia is nothing but ma square into 3 pi minus 8 upon 48. Thank you.